This is the start of 2019's absolute madness with Samuel and Co trading.
Boarding complete.
Time to take off, and Thailand, here we come. Let's go have some fun. Nick's passport's only got 5 months left on it, so immigration may not let her in. Nick, they might not let you in, might they?
No.
Whoops, whoopsie, whoopsie. Who knows? Is she gonna get in? Anyway, let's try. It's gonna be fun. Hey guys, what's up? So we have just got here to this insane location for our, I don't really know what it is to be fair, I think it's like a penthouse villa kind of thing. So anyway, who wants to have a tour? Let's go, let's have a look around. So obviously starting here we've got our like infinity pool, which is absolutely bonkers. Goes all the way around the side, you can't really see it to be fair, but overlooks the beach, looking pretty awesome. So we're here for a little while until we meet up with all the other guys. So in here, let's have a look. So in here's like the children. So you got sound system, chill out sunbeds, more chill out stuff outside. Haven't actually really looked in here if I'm honest with you. Oh, I think this is bathroom. It's pretty funky to be fair, isn't it? And then we've got a little mini kitchen, and then we've got the front room. I'm doing this tour mega quick because I want to go chill out. It's been a long day traveling. Doorbell, who's that? I was just saying we've got the lovely man was bringing our bags. So this is the front room and place I've just did the tour. Insane beach and mad tanker over there. Tanker alert. Nick alert. And then Nick keeps leaving all the doors open and letting all the nice cold air out. Typical, typical. That's quite cool. And then this is the master bedroom. And then we've got the crazy view, literally crazy view. Oh, you can't see. There we go. Now you can see. And then we've got the swimming pool. It like comes all the way around. Infinity pool, looking mega epic over that insane view. And this is just the start. So all of the entire squad at Samuel Co Trading are heading out. You should see where we're going to be staying then. That is just next level. So then we've got an outdoor shower, which is quite cool, and then mad jacuzzi, hot tub. Don't really see myself being inside. Double sinks, liking it, liking it. And then we've got steam room, liking that. Looks like you can go rock climbing, but you can't. Design. Toilet, toilet, toilet. Mirrors, mirrors, mirrors. Ooh, we've even got our own sandals. Chilling. So guys, this is the start of 2019's absolute madness with Samuel and Co Trading. That looks pretty epic down there. There's a floating pier, if you can see that. That looks like it's gonna be chaos, especially if it ends up getting a bit more waves. What are you on now?
Trampolines is okay.
What is that? What, Snap ice creams? That's a shout.
Hey!
She's been moaning about wanting waffles. I just want some waffles. I just want some waffles. I just want some waffles. Waffles, waffles. Happy as always. You happy?
I'm happy.
Tastes pretty good to be fair.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Don't know about that. Places, is that boat getting towed? Mate, there's going to be so much stuff going on. So guys, enjoy. Do not forget to thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Click the join now button for more information. And I am writing my Forbes article of what is the next ETF to be looking at and why, good returns and all the positives, la 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 la. I was writing it whilst I was on the plane. So, enjoy guys, and the adventure's just starting. Whatever, love.